Hi guys, it's Sam here with Bargain.Hunting.Blonde, and today I am bringing to you another Louis Vuitton reveal. So this is a bag that, if you have seen my kind of like luxury bags I'm lusting after, you'll have seen this bag. I talk about it a lot. It basically completes one of my Louis Vuitton collections, at least for the time being. I'm very excited by it. I spent many hours stalking the Louis Vuitton website for it because basically all the SAs I talked to told me they couldn't order it. If you've seen some of my stories, came across this beautiful bag for way cheaper many price increases ago in Zurich, and I didn't buy it. So here we are, luckily before another price increase. So let's get to the reveal. It did come like this. Louis Vuitton is out of a lot of packaging. No ribbon, nothing special. Luckily, I have gotten a lot of Louis Vuitton packages, so that didn't bum me out. But if I had been someone like this would be one of my only Louis Vuitton purchases, I would be kind of upset that I didn't get a ribbon. So take note, Louis Vuitton. And I know some people who didn't get boxes, who literally just like got their bag in a dust bag in a box. So like, I don't know. These items are expensive. I did actually get, though, all the receipts and everything in one of these. I know some people didn't get this either, or they got like the smaller ones that they do in store, which are just not as nice. So that was at least nice. It is in this little dust bag, so it is very small and very petite. I'm very excited. And it is my Louis Vuitton Nano. Yes! Okay, so if you know me, I love the Noé. I think it's one of the best bags Louis Vuitton has ever made, and I love this little bag. So I saw this little bag when I was in Zurich, and I was on the Nano Speedy Hunt, and I just totally brushed it off. I was like, oh, no, that's not what I'm looking for. Guys, wrong. I was wrong. This bag is just so cute. Okay, so you probably have seen this from a lot of people. Let's go over it real quickly. First, let's go over the little tags in here. So I never get this little tag when I'm shopping in Europe, but whenever you buy online here, they do send it to you. So it is, let's do this in the English version. This is the product code tag, and then the little what is this made out of, which is just saying it's canvas and Vachetta leather, basically. So this is my little Louis Vuitton Nano, obviously in the monogram with the Vachetta. This is the untreated, untanned Vachetta, so it is very light at this moment. This, like all Noes, except for the Neo Noe, which does have more structure and like organization in it, is just a little pit. Somehow I ordered online, but I got a made in France piece, which I know for certain people is like a really big deal. I do not care. The only pieces I have ever had to return for defects have come from France. So to me, that's not that big of a deal. But this bag was made in the 20th week of 2020. So it is definitely a newer bag, which I know is something interesting that a lot of people have talked about recently with their Louis Vuitton online orders, especially during COVID, is they've been getting a lot of older bags that have older date codes, which I think is really interesting. So this was definitely a newer make. I think I scored this in like the middle of the night. And as you guys know, I have been selling bags and buying bags. So this is one of the bags that I wanted to buy and why I was selling other bags, just because like I've kind of been doing a little bit of a COVID check, like what do I really need or want, I should say. I don't need any of this, and this was definitely something I really wanted. So I sold some other bags for it. It is so cute. I am so excited. Okay, so let's kind of do a what fits in here, because I have a rule, and I know you've all seen this, but we need to go over that. It does in fact fit my phone. So here's my phone, fully in there, standing up. I would probably put my phone down like this in there, and it will definitely fit both my phones. And then if I'm carrying my phones with me, I'm going to be carrying some sort of card holder. This is my Calvi card holder. It does have business cards in it, not my actual cards, because I'm using a big wallet right now. I figured during COVID times, might as well use them, since I've been using kind of like bigger bags and I've not really been changing out a ton, because I want a bag that I can sanitize when I come back from my once weekly leaving the house. So put this guy in there, definitely fits. This is going to represent my car keys. This is clay. It actually has headphones in it right now, but I would put my car keys in there. And then my Bastia coin purse, again from Hermes. So we still have space in here. I can show you guys what's in here right now. We're definitely spaced. We've got space at the top, we've got space back here, and we've got space here. I do have a pop socket on my phone, so that does kind of make it take up a little more. But let's put a lipstick in here, a lip gloss. I would never, ever, ever put a pen in here. So we're not going to try that, but I could definitely get my other phone. I do have a work phone, so I always carry 2 in here, and I could like rest my sunglasses on top, which would be perfect, and then just pull the little drawstring, which is like, really doesn't do much, I feel like, for this bag, but I have not pulled it yet, but pull it and like tie it. I do know that Jess on She's the Posh will sometimes like put something over top of it a little bit just so it's a little more secure. I am very lucky in the fact that I do live in the suburbs, so like I don't really have a lot of like public transportation that I'm on all the time and stuff like that, so I'm not super worried about someone reaching into my bag. And I would be wearing this, you know, if I was wearing a crossbody in like a store more in front of me, just to be careful of that. But I'm really excited to add this to my collection. I am very, very excited that this bag has appeared and I was able to snag it. I think I stocked it for like a long, guys, it was a long time, like 2 months. But yay, Nano, so cute. Holds so much more than I thought. Just real quick for comparison, since this bag is sitting here, this is my Louis Vuitton Speedy. They're so cute together. I never thought I'd be a mini bag person, but I love them. And I think that there is a mini bag that for me is fine as if it holds your phone, or your phone's in my case. If it doesn't hold your phone, I can't get behind it. I still stand behind that. I know some people have abandoned that because they're like, oh, well, you just put your phone in your pocket. So many things that I wear do not have pockets, so that doesn't work for me. But very cute, very excited to have it. Here it is. What else mini will I be adding to my collection? Who knows? I am eyeing the petite sac plait, so might be coming. You'll have to stay tuned to see. There'll be some stalking happening. But if you like these sort of videos, please make sure to hit the subscribe button down below and the notification bell so you get notified every time I upload a new video, which is twice a week on Mondays and Thursdays. If you want to see how I style my bags, please make sure to follow me on Facebook, Instagram, my blog, all of which are linked down below. Thank you so much for tuning in today, guys, and I'll see you in my next video. Bye, guys.